find it inconceivable, or at the very least bit unlikely, that the relative position of the planets and the stars could have a special deep significance or meaning that exclusively applies to only you. Let me give you my assurance that these forecasts and predictions are all based on scientific documented evidence, and you would have to be some kind of moron not to realize that every single one of them is absolutely. And I find it inconceivable, or at the very least unlikely, that the relative position of the planets and the stars could have a special deep significance or meaning that exclusively applies to only you. Well, let me give you my assurance that these forecasts and predictions are all based on scientific documented evidence. You would have to be some kind of moron not to realize that every single one of them is absolutely true. No, I find it inconceivable, or at the very least unlikely, that the relative position of the planets and the stars could have a special deep significance or meaning that exclusively applies to only you. Let me give you my assurance that these forecasts and predictions are all based on scientific documented evidence, and you would have to be some kind of moron not to realize that every single one of them is absolutely true. No, I find it inconceivable, or at the very least unlikely, that the relative position of the planets and the stars could have a special deep significance or meaning that exclusively applies to only you. Let me give you my assurance that these forecasts and predictions are based on scientific documented evidence, and you would have to be some kind of moron not to realize that every single one of them is absolutely true. No, I find it inconceivable, or at the very least unlikely, that the relative position of the planets and the stars could have a special deep significance or meaning that exclusively applies to only you. Let me give you my assurance that these forecasts and predictions are all based on scientific documented evidence, and you would have to be some kind of moron not to realize that every single one of them is absolutely true.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. I've still commitments while I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, don't tell me you're too blind to see. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.